In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom report in Xero, 5 minutes. First, open the Xero login page and sign in. Click login, enter your credentials, then log in again to continue. You'll land on your organization's dashboard, the starting point for this process. From the dashboard, open the top menu, choose accounting, then reports. This takes you to Xero's reporting area where templates and saved views live. For this walkthrough, select the Account Transactions report, a flexible way to drill into activity by account. When the report loads, use the account field to find the ledger account you want. Start typing its name and pick it from the suggestions. Next, set the date range so the report covers the exact period you need. You can use presets or specify custom start and end dates. Getting this right ensures your figures reflect the time frame you care about. You can click Save as to begin preparing your custom version, but first click Update to refresh the results with your chosen account and dates. Review the output to confirm the transactions, totals, and date boundaries are correct. If something looks off, adjust the criteria and click Update again until you're satisfied. When the report looks good, click Save as again. Choose Custom so you're creating your own saved version rather than changing a standard layout. Give the report a clear, consistent name your team will recognize. Something like Account Transactions Marketing FY 2025 works well. Then click Save to store it in your organization's custom reports. To find it later, go back to Accounting, open Reports, and switch to the Custom tab. Your newly saved report will appear there, ready to run with a single click. You can open it anytime, update the date range for a new month or quarter, and save again if you want separate versions for different periods. And there you have it. Log in, go to Reports, open Account Transactions, choose the account and dates, update the results, and save it as a custom report you can reuse.